Yo, what's going on YouTube? TechnicallyTee, episode 5 of the YouTube series, man, Uncut. Now, sorry if I still sound a little congested. Still trying to get over this cold, man, but this is something that I want to get off my chest. This is definitely a lot of what I've been talking about on Twitter, man. A huge shout out to a few of you guys, especially my man Terry Warfield. He was just like, yo, you should make a video about it, man, because just getting it off your chest really can do a lot, because when you're feeling down about certain things, you really shouldn't hold it in. You really should, you really should talk about it. And what better way if you're on YouTube to turn the camera on and tell the people that rock with you. Now, I know this series is usually about, little helpful tips and different things like that and how to navigate on YouTube, but this time we're gonna do a little bit personal, man. This is basically my struggles with YouTube and what I battle with almost every day, man. When I turn this camera on and the videos that you guys see, a lot of people may think these videos are all perfect, man. Everything is well scripted out. You know what you're gonna record. Sometimes there's a lot of stress in trying to figure out what you wanna record, trying to figure out what's interesting, trying to figure out what people actually are going to watch when they come to your channel. And one thing that I lack when it comes to YouTube, just basically period, when it comes to anything, man, is I lack creativity. When there is anything going on right now, like right now in tech, it's like a dead moment, man. There's no products going on, there's no new phones. Kind of already reviewed most cases for phones that I already have. So therefore, it's a little dead period. You have that period where you kind of, like me, I'm completely lost on what to do. And when I get lost on YouTube, this is just me personally. When I think about something a little bit too much, that tends to bother me, man, and I automatically tend to go down the negative path. And like, I'm gonna be real with you guys, man. For the past few weeks, man, I just have not been in a positive space when it comes to YouTube. Sometimes I feel like I don't know if I wanna play this game to succeed on YouTube. I didn't sign up for YouTube. I didn't sign up to do what I love, to play a game in order to make it. And I know a lot of people may think, and I say it all the time, don't do it for the money, don't do it for anything like that. Do it because you love it, and that's 100% true. But the time and the effort that you put into the channel, I don't know if I'm getting back in return what I expected, man. And that makes you wonder, that makes your mind wonder, and just makes you be like, I don't know if I should even keep this going, man. And I'm gonna be 100% real with you guys, because this is what this series is about. I have definitely contemplated in the last few weeks and the last few days, even up to today, on just quitting YouTube altogether, man, because I don't know if I'm getting what I want out of it. I feel like I don't have that creative drive to make content, and I'm a person who just does not like to put content out, put videos out just to put them out. Some people just make videos about anything. That's just not what I want to do. I want to really create videos about things that I like, and I don't want to make placeholder videos just to get me over until the next little time frame before something comes out. So that's where I kind of am right now about YouTube, man. It's just sometimes when I lack that creative drive, I will kind of get in a hole and kind of get in a funk and just be like, I don't know if I'm even going to continue this. And a lot of people may take this jokingly. I know people on Twitter might reach out to me like, hey man, snap out of it, yeah, la la la, LOL. Technically, I'm not really laughing. This is really like a serious point with me right now. I'm not laughing. I'm not taking it as a joke. All comments really that's on this video that may be in a joking manner and everything, I'm really not laughing. I'm really not in the mood for it. I'm just gonna remove it and keep it going. I don't know where my head is right now when it's coming around to this YouTube thing, man. I mean, I know the success is out there to get, and I know a lot of people will comment on this video, man, and just be like, yo, I love your content, and I appreciate that. And those sometimes are the comments that I need to hear. Some people may think, oh, you might be doing this to get attention. No, I'm really not, man. This is really something that's been bothering me for a while now when it comes when it comes to YouTube, man. So I guess I wanted to make this video because I'm sure I'm not the only person out there that kind of struggles with that creative drive to make videos. I know there are probably tons and tons of videos and topics and ideas that I could come up with to record, man, but for some reason I can't pop them in my head to get them on the camera or me to portray through the camera. I just don't know where to go sometimes, and that's kind of how I am feeling right now. I mean, after this video, I have no topics in my mind on what to shoot, man, and future scene is just in limbo. I'm gonna be real with you guys, man. Future on YouTube right now, and it just might be one of those days of me just going through it, and tomorrow I may pop up and have tons of ideas to record, man. But right now, YouTube is a hard place for me right now, man. I mean, as much as work as I put into this, I don't know if I feel like I'm getting what I thought I would get in return. You know what I mean? I just don't know, and that makes me want to switch my whole style and my agenda on what I do on YouTube. So it's something I really need to sit down and really contemplate, man. I know people are like, hey, reach out for topics and reach out for ideas. And that's one thing that has troubled me in the past, is reaching out and asking for help. I never, growing up, my mom, my parents, my dad would just be like, you never ask for help, especially like in school. People knew math was my weak point. Even though I have degrees where math is heavy, it's still my weak point. But what the reason I struggle is because I never asked for help. And today I'm still stubborn the same way. I just will not ask for help because I feel like I can figure everything out on my own. And sometimes you just need to talk to someone, or you just need to reach out to someone, because that little spark can potentially activate something you inside, man. It might give me that creative bug. Somebody may comment on this video right now and it just might spark me up. You know what I mean? So I don't know what I need to hear. I don't really know what it's gonna take for me to get back on the positive side, man. I'm being 100%, man. I am on like a down slope right now when it comes to YouTube. I just want to make this quick video because saying what's your issue, man, telling your story in, on this camera can sometimes heal you on what you got going inside or what's bothering you inside, man. So that's kind of what I wanted to do. Cut this camera on and just keep it real and tell you how I'm really feeling when it comes to the YouTube. And I know a lot of people may have this same issue. And if you find help, if you have this same issue, comment down below, man, and let me know what you did to get over it. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one who thinks about calling it quits when it comes to YouTube, but I have honestly never quit anything in my life. I've always finished it, and I've always accomplished what I wanted to accomplish at the very end, man. But I feel like this is another one of those obstacles that I'm having a hard time getting over right now, man. So episode 5 YouTube Uncut series, man. This is a little bit about me, a little bit more personal on this one. Not so much giving tips, but I just kind of wanted to let you guys in on how I'm feeling. You see what I'm saying? I talk to a lot of you guys more than I even talk to my friends in real life. So I value what you guys have to say as well, man. But definitely comment down below, like this video, share this video out, man, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people may need to hear this struggle because they may have something that is very similar that's going on with them, regardless if they're even a content creator, man. This can be something that's going on in their personal life. So share this video out, man. Just want to get the word out and just kind of want to tell you what is bothering me. But TechnicallyTee, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one, man. Later.